Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we are going to solve this question: k squared minus k power 3 equals to 12. You're supposed to find the value of k right here. Then solution: by copy what we have k squared minus k power 3, which equals to 12, and we shall write this one as k squared minus k power 3 minus 12 will be 0. And of course this k squared minus k power 3 minus this 12 can be written as 8 plus 4 equals to 0. And here we write k squared minus k power 3 minus 8 then minus 4, which is equal to 0. And this is equal to k squared minus 4 minus k power 3 minus 8 equals to 0. And this we shall write k squared minus 2 squared minus k power 3 minus 2 power 3, which equals to 0. And of course, if a similar way, this is the difference of two squares, where this can be separated together, equals to k minus 2 times k plus 2. And of course, here we shall factorize the negative to get k power 3 plus 2 power 3 equals to 0. And this is equal to k minus 2, k plus 2 minus, of course this one is equal to k plus 2, right, times k minus 2k plus 4, which is equal to 0. And here we shall factorize because of k plus 2 as common to get k plus 2 times, open bracket of, k minus 2 then minus, open bracket of, k minus 2k plus 4, which equals to 0. Then this is equal to k plus 2 times, open bracket of, k minus 2 minus k plus 2k minus 4 equals to 0. And here we have k plus 2 and open bracket of, here we have what we have here, we have squared, right? And of course we shall write here negative k squared, right? Then here minus what we have right here, we have k and 2k plus 3k, this one and this we get negative 6, which equals to 0, right? Then this is what we have right here. We shall write k plus 2, which is equals to 0, or negative k squared plus 3k minus 6, which equals to 0. Alright, this is what we have. And we shall say k is equals to negative 2 as this solution, or negative k squared plus 3k minus 6 will be 0. By here we can multiply negative on both sides to get k squared minus 3k plus 6 will be 0. And of course this is quadratic equation, so that here we are supposed to find here the discriminant of delta, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac, where here a equals to 1, b equals to negative 3, and c equals to here positive 6. And of course delta will be here negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which is equal to 6, and this will be 9 then minus 24. And of course our delta will be negative 16, so that here will be, is it negative 16? This is negative 15, so that here shall be rejected. Now we shall move on to this one as our final solution, so that here we have to verify here to check if the answer is correct, because now we have given k squared minus k power 3, which is equal to negative, here we have 12 on the way, that is negative 2 power 2 minus here negative 2 power 3, which is equal to 12, question mark. and this is 4 minus plus 8, which is equal to 12. So our solution is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.